With all of our logic in place now, time again to test out the blueprint and just make sure that it is all working as intended. And so, coming to the content browser, let's locate our ceiling light blueprint actor, and then click and drag it into the scene. As we move it around the ground, of course, nothing is really happening, but if we raise it towards the ceiling, we can see that our construction script is working just fine, and so will save us quite a bit of time when it comes to aligning our light actors with the ceiling in the room. No snapping tools needed, nor careful placing by eye, just a simple click and drag is all that it takes. Let's make sure that the logic is definitely working as intended though, and that it doesn't simply do something silly like snap once and then get stuck. Thoroughly testing our blueprints so they don't cause problems later on being an important step to include at this stage. If we move this actor off to the side then, we see that it actually still snaps, only higher up now, seeing as the ceiling there still falls within the specified distance threshold. If we drag down though, we may become a little worried by the fact that we can no longer place the actor lower down in the scene once we have, perhaps even accidentally, snapped it to a higher surface. To regain control, all we need to do is move it to a part of the level that is outside its 100 unit line trace limit, and we can move it around freely again. And of course, if we used an even smaller distance value for the line trace, then we could probably regain control over its placement that much quicker. Construction scripts then can be massive time savers when trying to create a good looking visualization, freeing up, as they can, valuable time in the construction phase, meaning that can then be spent elsewhere on the project in order to help make it look even better.